Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll explore the Product in Empty Cart widget. This widget displays a curated selection of products when a customer's cart is empty. Instead of a blank screen, shoppers see relevant product suggestions that help reignite interest and guide them back into the shopping journey. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Product in Empty Cart widget, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Widget Group, select Cart Drawer, and then choose Product in Empty Cart. To enable or disable the widget, head to Theme Settings and open Professional Widgets. Once the widget is enabled, return to Widget Group, open Cart Drawer, and select Product in Empty Cart. From here, you can customize all of the widget's settings. Let's take a look at the settings you can customize. The block name is used for internal identification. It's recommended to keep the default name, such as Cart Empty, to avoid any display or configuration issues. With upsell direction, you can choose how products are displayed. Selecting horizontal shows products in a side-scrolling row, which works well for compact layouts and quick browsing. Choosing vertical stacks products one below another, making it easier for customers to view more details at a glance. You can choose a collection to automatically display products, or select individual products if you prefer to highlight specific items. The Reviews option allows product reviews to appear within the widget when enabled. Enable Autoplay allows the product slider to move automatically. When this option is turned on, additional autoplay speed settings become available. With autoplay speed, you can control how fast the product slider moves from one item to the next. Enable Loop to make the slider cycle continuously. When the last product is reached, the slider automatically returns to the first. Show Arrows lets you choose whether navigation arrows appear on the slider. Enable this option to display the arrows or disable it to hide them. Show Dots adds slider dots below the products, making it easier for customers to see their position and navigate between items. With Arrow Color, you can choose Inherit to match your theme's default styling, or select Custom to personalize the arrows. When Custom is selected, you can define both the arrow color and the arrow background color. Custom Arrow Color lets you set your preferred arrow color, while Custom Arrow Background Color allows you to choose a background color for the arrows. Arrow Position controls where the navigation arrows appear on the slider. Choosing Middle places the arrows on the center left and center right of the slider, while Bottom positions them near the bottom of the slider, centered horizontally. And that's it! You've successfully set up the Product in Empty Cart widget, helping guide customers back to shopping with smart, engaging product recommendations. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.